Hey guys, Kevin with Big Rig Chrome Shop here. Hey, I'm back in the warehouse taking a look at Lifetime nut cover product here. High quality stuff made in America. Their nut covers are plastic injected molding, triple chrome plated, high quality stuff. Built for years, not for miles. They also have an array of billet aluminum products, from your front oil covers to fuel cap covers to step plates. Step plates are customizable. If you want to get your company name in there, your truck number, we can make that happen. They also have their dash kits, frame nut cover kits, and the huck sleeves to get you set up if you want to cover your frame holes. To check out more options, stop in our showroom, visit our website, bigrigchromeshop.com. Click on the link below, or if there's something custom that you need done, give us a call and we'll certainly help you out. I also wanted to mention Lifetime Nut Covers puts on a truck show at the end of the summer. So if you're near Britt, Iowa, usually early September, stop in, check it out. It's always a good time. That'll be all for today.